books, some people call it alligator. This is what it looks like. You lie down on your side, have some support under your head. Your legs can look however you would like. Take your arms out in front, straight, one hand on top of the other. As you breathe in, slowly open that top arm up, taking it out as far as is comfortable. And then as you breathe out, you'll lower it back down. Breathing in, maybe your gaze follows that opening arm, and breathe out and lower. Repeat as often as you'd like. If you'd like to add a little more oomph to this open books or alligator twist, add a light hand weight. And you can increase the weight as you see fit. Breathing in, opening up. Breathing out, lowering down. If that weight feels too light for you, maybe you grab something a little heavier. And if you don't have hand weights, you can grab a water bottle. You can grab a can of tomato sauce, anything that would suit you. Just make sure it's something that you can grasp comfortably. Breathing in as you